Got another flashlight to look at today from Olight. This is the Perun 3 Mini Premium. Let's open it up and take a closer look. Hey, what's up YouTube? Dan the Fix-It Man. Got another quick video here for you. Just another flashlight video from Olight. They sent me this Perun 3 Mini Premium. Premium version comes with the wireless charger that lets you charge this light up to 5 times. Well, let's go ahead and open it up and see what comes included. Now this little warning card lets us know that we need to pull out this tab and then unscrew the cap to remove the insulating film. So let's go ahead and do that first. Let's take it out. We can pull this insulating tab here. Let's go ahead and take the light out and unscrew the cap here. And we've got another little insulating film right here we need to take out. We've got the Olight branded 3.6 volt 16340 battery. Pop that back in. Now to charge this up, you just drop it back in the case and we need to get this plugged in, but let's see what else comes included here. Okay, so we've got our head strap here, our charging cable with these little protective caps, and of course we'll get this fully charged up before we head out to use it. We've got our user manual and of course a little booklet of warnings as well. Now as far as the user interface, this sounds like it's going to be pretty straightforward and pretty easy to follow along. Let's go ahead and open this up real quick. Now it looks like it also has all of our specifications here. So this is a white and a red light. It's got options for both. Now of course the first thing we've already done is remove that insulating film and the little protective film underneath this cap, but we do need to get this charged up fully. So let's go ahead and do that and then we'll come back and run through the rest of this user interface. All right, well we've got it fully charged, or at least we're up to 99% right now. Now this charger also will charge other devices. So let's go ahead and give that a try. Got an iPhone here, we're down at 17%, definitely needs to be charged up. So let's plug that in and there you go. Right away it kicked on and you can see the little charging icon is illuminated up at the top. Now I really like the feature of being able to charge a phone with this little flashlight battery charger, so that's pretty cool. But let's take it out and run through the user interface, which is pretty straightforward. So to turn the flashlight on, all you do is press the top and there you go, that's on in the white mode. And to turn it off, press it again. There is lockout mode, just press and hold. And now the flashlight is locked. So if we press that button, it'll just flash. It's not turning on. In order to unlock it, we can press and hold and it will turn on in moonlight mode. So there it is off and now it is unlocked, but you can also just turn it on in moonlight mode by pressing and holding. Now in order to get to turbo, or the brightest setting on this flashlight, is double click the top button and that jumps all the way up to turbo, which is 1250 lumens. And you can change the brightness level by pressing and holding low, medium, and high. And that's whether you're in turbo or moonlight. Now this light also has an auto shut off function. Now with the light on, all you need to do is double press and hold. And see the one blink, that's going to auto shut off after 3 minutes. If we do it again, double press and hold, you get 2 blinks and that's now going to shut off after 9 minutes. Now in order to get to red light mode with the flashlight off, all you need to do is double press to get to the red light. And if we press and hold, we can change through the red light functions. That's going to be our high. And if we press and hold again, it's going to blink an SOS pattern in red. And to turn it off, just press it once. Now, if you notice, the top of this light has a metal button, but it also has a battery indicator, and you can see that little faint green light come on. Green is letting us know that it's more than 60% charge. If it's between 10 and 60%, it would be orange, and if it's between 5 and 10%, it's red. If it blinks red, that means it's less than 5%. Now, one of the cool things is you can still operate this light inside the charger. So let's drop it inside here. You can use this button right here to control the light or turn it on or off. So let's go ahead and turn it on. And then if we just press it again, that turns it off. Or with it on, you can also just close the lid and that turns the light off. So you don't have to worry about it burning that up. Now you can also change the brightness level with the charger button. Just press and hold and that will ramp all the way up. Press and hold and that will go all the way back down. And that's stepless dimming, by the way. You notice it's not low, medium, high like it is when it's out of the charger. Now this charging indicator will shut off after a minute or so, but it stays illuminated when it's 10% or less. So pretty cool little right angle light, and I love that this charging case can charge that up 5 different times. Now the cool thing about these battery chargers from Olight is that some of them are interchangeable. You see, this is the Baton 4. It drops right in that same exact charger, and you can see the little green light. It's also charging. I love that the Perun 3 Mini has a magnetic tail cap. We also have this nice head strap. Let's take a look and see how this works. Now we do have a clip here, but this is not a two-way clip, it's a one-way clip. So for example, you could still clip this onto a hat bill or something like that, and that's of course going to shine straight down, or you could clip that into a shirt pocket. But this clip is also kind of dual function because the clip is what holds it into this head strap to make this a headlight. What you do is you just insert this little end of the clip into that little plastic receiver and then press it down, and it locks it into that little plastic fitting there. And this is adjustable, so you can turn that up or down. And then to release it, you just push this button, and then it will pivot out and come out of that little plastic receiver. But that's a pretty neat design. Definitely holds it in there. Really looking forward to using this. But that's pretty much it as far as the user interface. Let's go ahead and get this plugged back in. We'll top this off, and then as soon as it gets dark, I'll take this down to the park so we can see what this looks like at night. All right, well, I've got the Perun 3 Mini fully charged up here down at the park, and it's nice and dark outside, but I am using an iPhone, so it does look a little bit brighter. And I also have a light on the camera just so I can see what's going on here. But let's go ahead and turn this on now. I'm gonna press and hold to turn that on moonlight mode. That would be great for reading a map or looking for something in a tent or something up close. Now I'm gonna jump up to turbo by double clicking and take a look. That completely lights up this area all the way back to the trees out there. And it's a really nice bright light. Now from turbo, we can press and hold to cycle through the different brightness levels. Now that's low. There's medium. Now that's high, and double click to jump back up to turbo. You can see that really is bright. It puts the light way out there, a couple bunnies out there in the field, but definitely is a very bright light. Now to get to the red light function, all we need to do is double press the top button from off, and that is the low setting for the red light function. Press and hold, and that's going to be our high red light function. That's the brightest red light right there. And then if we press and hold again, it goes into an SOS strobe. And press it again and it turns it off. Now I can also operate the light from inside this battery charger. So if you just drop the light inside, you can see the little red LED indicator comes on, letting us know that it is charging up the light. Now we can turn the light on just by pushing this front button. You can see now that the light is on, and you can ramp up the brightness by pressing and holding. You can see that goes all the way up to turbo. Press that same button and it will stepless ramp all the way down. Now to turn it off, you can push that button again, or if it's on, you can also just close the lid, and that also turns off the light. Let's head back to the garage and wrap this up. Now I like how small and compact this is, and it's nice and lightweight, and as you saw, it really does put a lot of light out there for how small it is. If we turn that on and jump that up to turbo, I mean, for the size, that is pretty impressive, pretty amazing how much light it puts out there. Definitely going to be one of my EDC lights, complete with this charger. You know, that gives you 5 full charges, and of course you've got the backup power for a phone or something else. Perfect EDC combination, the charger with the light. This is such a versatile little light, and of course with that headband, again, you also have a headlight. Now I'll probably keep this headband for that headlamp function in one of my tool bags. I've got a lot of tool bags, and I like to keep lights and headlamps with me at all times, so I'll probably store this in one of the bags and or keep this with me on the road. Even if you're just working on a car or something like that, that magnet function is really great. Even under a sink or whatever it is that you might be working on, it's nice to be able to have a little magnet with the right angle that you can just prop this up anywhere and see what you're doing, see what you're working on. Or if you are camping or doing something else at night, it's a really nice little compact light to have. I'm happy with it. Glad they sent it to me. I hope you guys like this video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you don't mind. That does help me out. And of course, I'll get a link in the description where you can pick up your very own Perun 3 Mini Premium from Olight as well. Thanks so much for watching, and good luck.